This video is going to show you how you can upload a table of learning for the week ahead in your Teams. So the first thing you're going to need is a home learning table, and I've taken the one from the week beginning 29th of June when we were in lockdown. And to enable our children to do the learning at home, we're going to post this as an announcement in the Golden Eagle team. So I'm going to start by doing a new conversation. I'm going to use the formatting button to turn it into an announcement. And I'm going to call it week beginning 12th of October and just imagine that it's worked for this week. Now, you might want to change an illustration so that they are all the same, and you might want to set it so it's the learning one. Now we are going to copy and paste the whole table from our Word document into our announcement. However, it's a really long table, so it's not all going to fit. So I think from after the maths, we will delete the rest of it. And I have just deleted the blank sections that I don't want anymore. And before I press post, you might need to change the date if it was the 12th of October. Before I press post, I'm just going to go through and make sure that the formatting, that everything is on the right line that it needs to be on. Okay, once I've gone through and I've checked everything, I've made sure that everything's formatted correctly, I'm going to change the headings at the top so that only moderators can reply. And the great thing is that I can also post it in multiple channels. So instead of 3 different classes having to do the same thing, if you're in a 3-form school, I can post this in the week beginning 12th of October channel. I could also post it in the test year 5 channel, and when I update, it will put it in all of those channels. Now when I press send, hopefully it will tell me it's not too long. Yeah, perfect. And this has then posted, and then I might need to post the other half as well. So I'm just then going to find the other half of my table that I haven't already posted. Very similarly, I'm going to copy and paste it into another new conversation, and I will again make it an announcement. Now, similarly as before, we will just go through, sort out the formatting, change the headline, change the illustration. We can also then go through and change the settings just like we did before. Okay, and I have spotted, if for example you've spotted that you've got some columns that you don't need, I am going to delete those rows. And then once I have submitted it, those will be both of my posts on my page ready for the children to access.